They like saying I like cloud, I'm cloud chasing.
Blue Aiva is my guest tonight, y'all.
Bitch, I'm the cloud. Are you dumb?
Blue Aiva.
What kind of sexiness are you talking about?
The
that's
sexiness.
missing?
The sexiness.
One, two. Good. Okay, cool.
1, 2, good.
Blue, how are you doing?
I'm great, man. I'm amazing. How are you?
I'm good. I like your thing. What do you call this?
It's a smiley.
Oh my word, it looks so cool, man.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, please introduce yourself to our people.
My name is Devatso Deva Mukwana, known as Blue Aiva. I'm originally from Limpopo, Mostotlos Tindela. But my parents are in the East Rand, but I'm in Midrand. Yeah.
Jeez, I was going through your Insta and I noticed that you were in Ghana at some point. So I looked at you and I was like, is this person from Ghana or something? Because you look like you're from Ghana.
Really?
Yeah, for real. So when you told me that your name is Devatso, I don't know if maybe you saw that look. Like,
Yeah. You're actually not the first
Yeah.
person to say that.
Is it?
Yeah. Some of them, they're like, no, you're from Nigeria. Like, oh, okay. I'm African at the end of the day, so.
Jeez, man. What were you doing in Ghana?
I went to meet my fans. I went to sell my brand. Yeah, basically, I just went there to explore, and I had like gigs lined up for me.
Yeah,
just
yeah.
introduce myself because I rebranded. I've been in Ghana.
Okay.
It wasn't my first time. It was my third time. So I just wanted to go there just to show them that okay, this is Blue Aiva 2.0.
Yeah.
This is the brand. This is a new brand. So yeah.
So you rebranded. Why did you do that?
Because I had to. My brand was all over the place.
Okay.
After the house, I just had to rebrand. That was the whole idea of me going to the Big Brother house to
Yeah.
rebrand. Because
Okay.
my brand was just all over the place. So yeah.
Because we know you on Big Brother. So I'm actually thinking that, were you a producer? Were you an actor in a way?
You see? This is what I mean.
Yeah.
This is what I mean.
Yeah.
I've been a musician. I've been a dancer. I've been a DJ. So entertainment is within me. I love entertainment. So yeah,
Were you
I
not
entertain
singing?
people.
We're not singing.
I'm a musician.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a musician. I do sing, but like not really like sing, because
Okay.
I can't sing. I just gimmick. Yeah, I just gimmick.
I actually want to know, what were you doing before the house, actually?
Exactly the
Yeah.
same things I'm doing right now.
But you were just everywhere.
I was just everywhere. So I needed to align my brand perfectly, So Big Brother gave me that platform. It gave me an audience that I needed, to showcase my talents. So when I got out, I just jumped right on it. And it's really working for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, because entertainment is what I love. So I was like, nah, if I can actually go, because I tried everything. Trust me, I tried everything. And I was like, nah, this is not working for me because I'm in and out in the studios. They're not taking me serious. I'm like, maybe if I can go to a larger platform, a bigger platform, maybe I can get something there, And I did, man. Like I did. When I auditioned for that show, bro, I was giving it my all. I was like, I'm going in for this. I'm going for the win. And guess what? They picked me and I went there. So yeah, it's been a journey, man. It's been a crazy journey, but an amazing journey, and I'm grateful. I am grateful.
Didn't you think before, did you have like some sort of a second option if maybe Big Brother didn't work? Because you
No.
literally took chances here.
Nope.
Like maybe I need to DM somebody, maybe be closer to them and maybe hang around with them, party with
Been
them.
there,
in a
done
way.
that. Big Brother was my only option.
Wait, so
at
you
this
hanged
point.
around with like big names and
Been there, done that.
so nobody plugged you on?
Hey, good rough. It's really hence I'm saying my brand was not. They didn't take me serious, man. They didn't take me serious. They didn't understand where I was going. where I was headed with my career. So I had to align everything. I had to show them the way. I had to pave the way so that they can understand. But like, I feel like now they understand what I'm all about.
So you were literally here. Let's say, for example, you were here and
Yeah.
you wanted to get here with your brand.
Yeah.
What pushed you from going from here to here? Was it the money, or maybe you were getting like 20,000, maybe you wanted like 200,000 every month? What pushed you basically?
As I said to you, that I love entertainment,
Yeah.
I love being in the space of entertaining people. And this is what I love, man. So when I thought about it, I'm like, okay, we all want money.
Yeah.
We all want money. True. But like with passion, you can literally do anything. You can literally get anywhere you want to get. So the passion that I have for music, the passion that I have for entertainment, it took me from here to here.
Yeah,
you get me? Because I've been around. And what I mean by saying I've been around, I mean that I've been with people that are big. I've been around people that are influential. I've done songs with people that are influential. I've been on balcony mixes. I've been on music videos. I've been doing a lot. Yeah. I just needed that platform to elevate my career.
Were you like some sort of a video vixen?
Yeah, I was a video vixen as well.
I'll call you if I had a music video.
But not now, though.
Okay.
Now I don't do that thing again. I'll share again.
I'll double the rate.
I'll
double the rate.
No. I'm not a vixen anymore.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. The time when you are in the house, how was the experience there?
The house was amazing. It was. No, the house was amazing. I enjoyed myself in that house. I enjoyed. And you go in that house not thinking about a lot of things. You're just thinking about, okay, I'm going to sell myself. I'm going to, you just have this idea. Because before I went in the house, I just had this idea, of going into the house because I've been watching Big Brother, Big Brother Niger. So I was like, one day I want to be in Big Brother's house and I'm going to make sure.
Yeah.
And when it happened, man, when I got that email, I knew it, man. I felt it, Yeah. I felt it because when you audition, there's steps until you get where you want to get, in the house, obviously, and there's steps. When I go through that, I was like, nah, this is mine. This is mine. Yeah. I had no doubts. The house was amazing, man. I loved each and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez, man. What are the craziest things that you've ever seen in the house?
Craziest?
Or weirdest? Or shocking? Jeez, what just happened? I'm going to come to you. I'm going to come to what are the things that happened to you, right? For now, I just want to know what are the things that you saw happening.
That were crazy?
Yeah, that were crazy.
Nothing really, because I was open to exploring, experiencing and getting to know people, in the house. So nothing really, nothing shocked me really. Yeah, I'm one person who's open-minded. I'm one person who's open-minded. Nothing shocks me. Literally, nothing.
You are out of this world. Nothing shocks you.
Nothing shocks me.
Anything
can happen.
There's a lot that's happening on Big Brother.
There's a lot. And the cameras don't show where the conversation starts and where it ends.
Yeah.
I
know. You talk.
So they don't show.
Did you close the door?
They don't show where it begins and where it ends. They just show the interesting clips or the conversation, in bits by bits. Obviously, the viewers are seeing what they've been shown. They don't really know where the conversation begin or where they end, And when it comes to me, I feel like I was portrayed as this person, man, as this, because I can't blame the viewers. I can't blame the viewers. And even now, the way they take me, some of them, I don't blame them because it's what they've been shown. They don't really show who the person really is. And obviously it's a show.
Yeah,
they have
yeah.
to make money, you know,
Yeah.
and I get that, you know. I went there prepared, you know. So I get that they have to make money. So in each and every person, there's a character,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So obviously they know that, okay, this person is this type of person, like is this character, this person is this. So they're gonna play that script.
Yeah.
You know, they're gonna show that
Character.
character.
So when we
You
watch
get
it,
me?
we're literally seeing a different Blue.
You get me. You get
or
me.
maybe a slightly different Blue
You
that
get
we
me.
know. Yeah.
Yeah. But then when I'm in the house, I am myself. But then what you are watching as a viewer is totally different. I don't know if you
I
get
understand.
me.
I
You
understand.
understand me?
Yeah,
Ne? It's way different. So with me, I don't really have right now. If you can like Google, I don't really have like videos where I am competitive, because I am very competitive. Like I am very competitive. When it was time for games, I used to go hard. Like I used to, you know, and I always push myself, you know, to do great. So when you Google now, what I've realized is, because when I got out of the house, I realized that, okay, people are bashing me. People are bashing me with, okay, Blue is a girly's boy. Blue likes boys. Of course I like boys. But like, not even boys, man.
Okay. Oh,
Anyway.
there's a whole difference. Yeah.
Anyway, so Blue is a girly's boys,
Yeah.
blah blah blah, because of what they saw. So most of the videos are based on that. Like you won't see where I am competitive, where
Yeah.
I'm being competitive, where I'm playing games, even my highlights. And I'm asking myself, like, why are you guys doing this to me? Where are my videos?
Oh, my word.
You know, so I don't really blame people for saying all these things, because it's what they've been shown. So, and I'm fine with that. And I'm fine. And they like saying I like cloud. I'm cloud chasing. Bitch, I'm the cloud. Are you dumb? Yeah.
How do you deal with backlash, basically? Those hate comments and stuff like that, you know, people coming out and
Yeah.
saying, like,
One
what
thing
do you
about
think?
me,
Yeah, you know?
I don't care. With a straight face. I literally don't care.
Do you get people bumping into people on the streets and like, yeah, when?
They can never. Baphelele emafonini. They can never.
Or maybe they just...
It's all love when they see me. You know?
Yeah.
Blue, Blue, Aiva.
When,
Yeah.
You told me that you love... You said something very crazy. You're like, you don't like boys. You like men.
Yeah.
What kind of man? What is a man to you?
Let's not go there because
No, we need to know, you know, like what's a man,
Nah,
what's a
let's not
boy,
go
what's a
there.
man, you know, a
Nah.
man has to be this way, a boy has to, I can't do, you can't deal with that. What's a man to you?
let's
Come
let
on,
that slide.
come on, come on.
Let's let that one slide.
Nah, there's something that's happening in SA. It's like the rise of female DJs, guys. What's happening? And it's
Everybody
like
is
the
a
OGs,
DJ.
like they're bashing you guys in a way, you know.
Yeah.
And I thought about it a few weeks ago. I was like, I wonder how you guys take this. There's your Uncle Waffles, there's yourselves, there's other women as well. Like, how do you guys deal with that?
Just stay in your lane, man. Just do what you gotta do, you know.
Yeah.
And I won't speak for everyone. I'll speak for myself.
Yeah.
When it comes to this craft, I'm not doing it because it's rainy, like it's for cloud. No.
Yeah.
It's a passion. You get me? It's what I love doing. Because even if something else comes, I won't jump on that. Why? Because I love my job. I love what I do. You know, there's all these female DJs who are doing great. You know, Devin Goko, you know, you call them. They're doing amazing. So one thing I've realized is I think they feel like it's an scapegoat in a way. you know, they feel like it's simple, it's an easier job to do, you know. And it's not. DJing is not simple, it's not easy. You have to practice, you have to keep practicing. Even I'm a big boss. Asapa is not today because DJing is not easy. You know, you need to keep practicing. And obviously you're gonna get there, you know. And just keep entertaining people. Just stay in your lane, man. Just stay in your lane.
Have you got people booing on you when you're DJing?
Never. Bro, my energy is crazy. My energy. I'm not just a DJ. I'm a musician. I'm a dancer. So imagine all of that together. Madness.
That's a shooting star.
Madness. And I've realized that I'm actually the first person in SA
to do that.
Not first person, first female DJ to do that. Imagine I'm DJ, I'm playing my own songs. I'm dancing to my own songs. So when you book me, you decide. It's either you book me for DJ or I'ma perform, dance. I give you everything.
How much you charge?
Talk to my manager for that.
Man, that is insane, man.
Yeah.
I'm just a little bit concerned with the OGs, man. They're complaining, you know. They say a lot of women, they can't DJ, you know.
Okay.
It's about the beauty, and I would like to disagree with that, you know. You guys are the selling point. You guys are beautiful, you know. Everybody loves a beautiful woman. And if a beautiful woman is a host, you know, back then when we were watching your SABCs and all, we would see Bonang on TV, and the people that are hosting the event, they actually knows that Bonang is a selling point because of she's beautiful, right? So imagine if we see yourself blue DJing at Cotton Fest. Obviously, people are gonna come. People know that you look hot. People know that you look beautiful. You understand? So then there's me now. I've been DJing since 2001. Now I come looking like this. I know I look good, but you got what I mean,
there
though.
are people who love you for your passion, whether you beautiful or not, whether you clean or not. Like, people really love you for your passion, you know. And people are gonna love you for that. If your energy is phenomenal, people are gonna love you for that. You know, they know that, okay, when I go to this person's gigs or to see that person, I know I'm going to enjoy myself. That's the most important thing. Imagine you going to a party just to watch somebody because they're beautiful, but they're not doing anything. But for my girls out there, man, just do what you got to do. Get your bag, honey. Get your bag.
Jeez, man. There's a lot of things that are happening regarding women in this country. You're a DJ, right?
Yeah.
People pay you to come and perform. Have you had any, I don't know, just anybody, it can be an event organizer, the promoters taking advantage of you?
Okay, you mean before or now?
Let's start with before, then we'll come now.
Of
But
course.
I think now is I'm sure it's way much. But you've got a
Of
team.
course.
I mean, like international. Come on, like.
Yeah, before, bro. Of course. If you don't have a team, they will never take you serious. They will never. You know, since I came back from Nigeria, went to Ghana, went to Tanzania, I haven't really, what can I say, performed in SA. So this is literally going to be my first time, you know, after the house and after traveling, performing in SA, you know. And by the way, this is my first interview.
Are you serious?
With you since I came back. I'm being for real. I'm being for real.
And I almost blew it up, man. But no, it's all good. It's all good.
Yeah, this is my first interview since I came
man.
back from all these countries. Because after the house, I went straight to Nigeria. I stayed there for like 2 months.
Okay.
Came back for a bit, went to Ghana, went to Tanzania, you know. But like now I'm settled in SA because I came back for my music in SA. I came back for my music. I wanted to finish my project, so that I can start rocking and start, hitting the streets. Now I'm done and I'm ready, to perform, to give the people what they've been looking for because they know how I do it.
Amen. I can imagine the kind of money you're gonna make. I'm interested in the money, nothing else. I wanna know.
I'm interested in the money as well.
Yeah, the money must come. We can't be playing games.
It must. So promoters out there, they better book me, child. They better book me. Yeah.
Big Brother is so big, and I think what you said, it's so true. It put you on to another level.
It did.
Do you get more supporters like outside South Africa?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. That one, I'll say it with my full chest. Most of my supporters are outside.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I thought they're gonna be here. Like a lot of.
I'm
South
also
Africans.
asking myself the question.
Which country supports you most?
Most of the African countries. Most of them.
Most African countries.
Most of them, yeah.
I'm so disappointed, man.
Right?
I'm so
know,
disappointed.
right? Yeah. That's how I feel as well.
Can
like
I-
my home country. You know how much I sold AMAPIANO to Africans? And when I say Africans, I mean like Nigeria.
That's what you do.
I mean
like you
Ghana.
Go deep.
I mean,
yeah.
bro, I carried AMAPIANO here.
And it's so funny that when they see like blue is coming from South Africa, they
Bro,
think, oh snap, we're literally gonna hear
I
AMAPIANO.
carried AMAPIANO. There's this song, Hamba Ha.
Yeah. Hamba.
But they know, even in the house, like I used to do like their routine, that routine
Yeah.
where you dance. And
Yeah.
I used to collect everyone. I'm like, we are doing.
And you
when they listen to my piano,
Yeah.
they think about me. They will never say it, but I know. Bro, I carried my piano. I carried my piano.
Right.
I'm telling you. My song Desha in Nigeria. I get kungayazi.
Yeah.
I get kungayazi. Everybody knows Desha.
You lie.
I'm telling you, I carried my piano.
Going to clubs, club to every club. Yeah.
Club to, bro. Plus, when I'm an entertainer, I entertain people.
No, man, that's so
when
bad.
AMAPIANO plays, you're gonna see me, child. I can even get on top of the table and show you what
Where do you? No, you need to send me your address. I need to send you flowers now. I need to
I'll
send
be
you
waiting.
flowers. I need to send you flowers.
Bro, like I'm so disappointed in my country. Like honestly, I'm so disappointed. I am so disappointed. I just wish they can just accept me for who I am and just support me because I'm taking essay to the world, man. I'm taking AMAPIANO, our music to the world.
Don't you think maybe they just stuck in that Big Brother
No,
mindset?
they are. Yeah, they are. And angazi ke bazokhishwa yini ke?
The heat.
Angazi.
Must just serve them a heat, another heat maybe.
I do have hits. I released Abangani
why
Bami.
though?
I released Frontal,
Maybe
back to
another
back.
one.
Who does that?
Are you dropping
Me.
anytime soon? Just drop something, man.
I did. Last week and last week.
Yeah.
Who does that, bro? Back to back. I'm a hiti. Hits.
Why are you not getting the support though?
I don't know. But all is well, Sha. All is well. Bazo catch up. Itrain le indlela. They'll catch up.
Are you signed to a label?
No.
Independent?
Yeah.
Have you got any approach?
From a label?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I feel like I'm good.
I hope it's not ambitious.
No, I feel like I got this, man. I feel like I got this. And I've just been signed with the biggest distributing company in Grooves. So, yeah. I don't think I need a label right now.
Okay.
Like, I don't think I need a label. I got this.
Do you think
I got
artists,
this.
they need labels like right now compared to back then?
It depends on your situation, but like, I don't think so.
Financial situation.
You get me? Yeah. That's the only problem, kahle kahle. When we're being honest, that's the only problem. But I feel like we got this, man. You can be independent and still do it. You know, just have a great team behind you. Then you good. You are good.
Would you be signed to maybe an international label if maybe financially the contract is making sense? Or you just want to own the music, full copyright music,
I
the
want to own
masters
my
to,
music,
to
hey?
yourself?
I want to own my music.
Because you hear these people
I wanna
crying
own my
and coming
music.
out, man. Like it's very sad, honestly.
And we're witnessing all of these things, and then you still want to jump in that hole. Like, are you being for real? These people come out and, you know, tell you what they've experienced, but you still want to go there. Like, doesn't make sense. You know, it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't.
It doesn't. Bro, struggle was good to Kenya, Sokola, but you're going to get there. Bro, you can try 100 times. And you go fail 100 times. You can never fail 100 times. Just keep going, keep trying. Something will come up. And obviously, along the way, you're meeting people. You're meeting different people. So, so just keep...
You make it sound so easy.
It's not
Like,
easy.
try. It's gonna come.
It's not easy. Trust me, it's not easy. Joe, Mina, I'm a hustler. One thing about me, I'm a hustler. Joe, I hustle for my things. I hustle for my shit.
Yeah.
And in the among things, we tall. With or without, I'll get it. Hi, Mina. Hi.
Which kind
Nya
you
foster. Like, you know, Mama Tsumundia foster. They're talking about me.
You know, you remind me of Spoo, DJ Spoo.
Oh, yeah?
He's a hustler. I'm sure you know, right?
Yeah, no. Yeah, definitely.
He's a hustler. And man, that guy is a crazy hustler. There was a day he
is.
sold a rock
Yeah.
on the streets. So he was selling more fire and he was trying to show people that he can sell a rock
Okay.
to anyone. And he
Yeah.
sold a rock for like 5 rand. And I was so surprised. And that really, really changed my mindset. That
Yeah.
you can literally sell anything.
You can literally sell anything, Joe. Anything. And remember, people buy perception. So you can literally sell anything. Joe, yes, Gucci, you can be in a room full of nothing, but ushute ngathi khona kwele. Ushute ngathi hayi yanyiwa. Kanti there's nothing. But because of what people see, they'll think, oh shit, I love Zimbabwe. But there's really nothing there.
Do you think the industry is supporting female artists?
The what?
The industry.
The essay industry?
Yeah, the essay industry.
No. Not really.
They don't
Not
give you guys
really.
the support that you guys need, ne?
Nah. Not really. Imagine I came out of Big Brother interviews.
Are you serious?
I'm being for real.
Oh, guys, I understand. Yes,
And when you get to Nigeria, bro,
you're getting calls.
bro,
Your manager-
left
yo.
and right, bro, and you can see how big Nigeria is. Essay industry, it's literally this small. You know, as much as it's wide, but like, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
In Nigeria, bro, but you're getting calls left and right. Like, they take you serious. You know, they take you serious. Like, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Or maybe, yeah, you just need to get to a certain point in life whereby, you know, they can start interviewing you. They can start... Because, bro, see, call. Like, we are open for interviews. We don't mind. Like, just call us.
I think the media is not looking for that. I think they're looking for controversy. Because to them, it's like, that's what sells.
Yeah.
Like, why would I speak to justice? You know,
Yeah.
that's not what people want to hear.
But you
know
can
what I mean?
get out something from there. Some little controversy from there.
You can, but you know,
Exactly.
they want like a trending story, these guys. You know?
Bro, we're trending every day. We're trending every day. Like,
I don't understand, man.
I
Especially
also don't.
For somebody like you.
Like, I also don't, man.
I don't understand. It doesn't make sense.
Who doesn't want this pretty face on their show?
Oh
like,
my word! I told you, if I drop music, I'm going to call you. Like, yo, girl, I'll triple. Because man, you are doing the most.
Thank you
like,
so
I don't want
much.
to lie
Thank
to
you
you.
so much.
You are killing it. I didn't know that you were pushing AMAPIANO around Africa.
Bro,
You know,
I am. I am. And I'm proud of that. Like, I'm doing it with my phone. Like, Jongi, proud. You know, when you are proud of something, like, I'm proud. I want people to know what AMAPIANO is. I want people to understand what AMAPIANO is.
You're literally like
it's
an
a culture.
ambassador. It's a culture.
It's a culture, Joe, this thing. It's a culture. And for us to take it that side,
Yeah.
bro, you need people like us.
Joe.
You need people like us. Singena thina manje. Cace no. No.
Sure. No, you are doing the most. I don't want to lie to you. You are killing the game. And, man, do you get support from other, like, fellow artists as well? Like, hollering at you?
Yeah, I do. Okay. Yeah. People I've known even before the house.
Yeah.
You know, hence I told you that I knew people, you know.
They now take
before.
you serious. They will not take you serious.
Now they can see the way. Now they can see. And also, I don't blame them for not taking me serious because I was all over the place. You know, my career was not, man, being in the sense, man. Like, they were so confused, man. Because next thing I'm doing this, the next I'm doing that. You know, it's confusing. But, like, now, you can see even if you go on my page, like, you can see that, okay, this person is, you know, it's all about what, you know, because man, you'd see lifestyle pictures, you'll see just random pictures, random videos, but like now everything is professional, you know, everything is clean, it's crispy clean, you know. Yeah.
You structure everything basically.
You get me?
You don't just take a picture, like you wake up in the morning and take a picture.
Nope. Even videos, I don't just wake up and say, okay, let me just take it. Nah, everything needs to be aligned. Yeah. I decided to call my my EP album Yonkinti Sexy because sexiness is missing in AMAPIANO. Like, I feel like sexiness is missing. As we all know that it's a male-dominated genre, you know. So I felt like, nah, man, if singai kancane plus I'm one Betty, so
what kind of sexiness are you talking about?
The
that's
sexiness.
Missing?
The sexiness. If you listen to my music, you'll feel it as well. Like uzoyizwa na ukuthi ya la bekahanjwa kamampela. Now uzozwa man. So I want people when they listen to my music, because kunalezi ezabafana, kunalezi amantombazana, you know. So I want when niggas are listening to I want them to feel like as if I'm there with them. You get me? I'm there.
You gotta get guys when they listen to your music.
And then I want girls to feel like bad bitches. Like, I want them to feel like, you know, they got this, you know.
It's the sexiness of AMAPIANO.
Yeah.
Sexy AMAPIANO.
Yes. Whatever I'm singing about, it's just sexy. Everything I do is just sexy. Sexiness, nje. Even my performance, you're gonna see. Even my performance, like, show Yonkinti sexy. When I say Yonkinti sexy, I mean everything is sexy. Like, everything is sexy.
That's a dope niche.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I wanted to ask you if that's gonna sell, but I think
of
it's
course.
not even
What? Of course. Definitely.
It's gonna sell. Yes.
Definitely.
Sexy AMAPIANO. Oh my word.
Because, you know, we have like different AMAPIANO.
I've never heard of that.
You know, we have different AMAPIANO. There's like private school, there's strata, there's... I can do strata, but in a sexy way.
You're literally taking people on a journey.
Exactly. I like you because you understand.
Taking somebody on a journey.
Yeah.
From the streets to the house.
You get me. You get me.
Blue appears.
Yeah.
She's there.
Yeah. There's this one in my album that says Kuzega Mokuzo. That one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What made you do that?
Yeah.
What made you
So I'm literally talking to a guy, you know. Okay, it says kuzeka mawkuzo mina ngiyikroti ngidala ngikudla ngiphi indlebe yakho ngithi kuyiluma kancane speak some sense in your mind. Ay kuzeka mawkuzo. I'm telling you. I am telling you. Uyayizwa ukuthi ithini? Ithi khuzeka mawukhuzo mina ngikroti dala ngikudla ngiphi indlebe yakho ngithi kuyiluma kancane speak some sense in your mind. Khuzeka mawukhuzo. No, my album, man, is amazing. My album is amazing. I'm taking you guys on a journey, like a new journey, something that you guys have never experienced. Nzozwela, man. Nzozwela.
I love it, man. I love it.
I just like how you are speechless.
I love it. Like, sorry, I'm just gonna entertain this. I love it because it'll also make, even if you're not there, but it'll also make a woman want to be, well, it'll also make a man to be attracted to his woman.
Yep.
It's so,
it goes both ways.
Yeah, there's so much
it goes
connect,
both ways.
There's so much connect.
And all my songs are different. Like they're different. It's just different sounds. No, I have the best producers ever.
Yeah.
I have people that I work with that are good. Mr. Nation, things. Like good people, you know.
Yeah.
So my album lam liyashisa. Like liyashisa kamampela.
Yeah. What other track do you like there?
Kupula, my favorite. My favorite is Kupula featuring Let Me Crazy. I don't know if you know Let Me Crazy.
No, I've heard of the name,
yeah. Baddest. One of the dopest musicians. I have him there. That one.
Yeah.
But he say Kupula. Kupula in. Kupula in, yona. Oh my God. Yeah.
Yes, when I was when I'm sorry to say that I'm gonna cut it out. Maybe try fix it, boy. When I
so phuma kuwe kuthi wena ufuna ukukhuphula ini? Maka siyayikhuphula though.
Yes.
Uyikhuphula yona siyayikhuphula.
Hey, when you're gonna get people horny.
No, that song is giving me le vibe yakudala, man. You know when kusahanjwa amatribu, sise high school vibes, sema taxi. Exactly.
Yeah.
It's giving me that vibe. Shama miniskirt.
Yeah.
You know? It gives me that vibe. Loba bufebe lobi man. Yeah.
Bu mini favorite.
You get me? Yeah, that teasing yana type of thing. Yeah. No, that song is magical. All my songs are magical, but like that one, yeah.
I wonder how are you when you perform in these songs? What do you wear? Like
Joe. Like it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. Trust me. Kuzonyiwa. I just can't wait. I just can't wait to perform in SA because I haven't since I came back from Nigeria. I haven't because I wanted to finish my work first, my project. You know, sort out some few things, paperwork here and there. But like now, I'm done. I'm ready. You know, ready. Kunyiwe once. I am ready.
When I'm
sad.
Sure, I guess. I've never heard anybody explaining their music in this way.
Really?
You know, yeah.
It goes back to the passion that I told you about. When you have passion for something, you make sure. You make sure.
Wow, man. I'm so impressed, man. Like I'm just so disappointed that SA they don't give you the support you need.
Yeah.
That's one thing that
sadly
I'm not happy with. You know. So have you got any bookings yet in SA?
No.
You winner.
I'm being for real. Since I got back from Nigeria, Nigeria is so wonderful to me. Like, it was so amazing to a point whereby, but like, I thought about my country. I'm like, nah, I need to first connect with my people.
Yeah.
You get me? I need to fix things with my people.
Yeah.
Nyolungisa
Take it
ekaya.
a little bit closer to the mouth.
Nyolungisa ekaya. Because, AMAPIANO is from SA, So, ngifuna ukuthatha into ephakwe ekhaya to the world, something that is created from home. And then we take it to the world. So I just had to come back here and, just create magic, finish my work, finish my project, because I only had like few songs out, and besizing poranyana. I'm like, nah, I need new music, for me to be crazy, to go crazy, I need new music. Because I last dropped, I think 2021 or 2022.
Yeah.
21, I think. No, I don't remember. But like, I needed new music. So I was like, nah, I have to go home. I have to go create bangers, And here I am, man. And hey, kunzima. Like, it's not easy. It's not easy, shame. It's not easy. But like, I trust my work, I trust lenteng nayo.
Yeah.
And I know that I'm gonna be out there. I know that they will appreciate me, because obviously abanye, they don't really know me. Because one thing about South Africans, they don't really watch Big Brother. It's only a few people. And in temnandi ukuthi they're gonna know me ngomsebenzi wami.
Yeah.
My work. So yinto engijabulisayo le, even though abangazi nge-Big Brother, but they're gonna know ukuthi okay, bani uBlue, uyenzani, you get me? Oh, she's a DJ, she's a musician, she's a dancer, she does this, she does that, besides Big Brother. Yes, Big Brother is a platform, it's not a career, it's a platform. They just give you a platform and it's up to you how to use it, So in them nandi le, it's okay, now they're gonna know me for my work, So yeah.
So you dropped 2 singles, ne? 2 weeks ago, ne?
Yeah.
You're about to drop an EP.
EP/album. We can just call it that.
Call
it that before the end of the year.
Okay.
So yeah.
So you're dropping it end of the year?
No, before.
Okay. Before end of November.
So October, November.
You haven't dropped the date, as
Yeah. I haven't.
Who do you have there? Somebody who's popular?
Let me crazy.
Okay.
I have Mr. Nation Things. I have my producers King P, Augusto, Cuba.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm planning on adding my Porisa.
Oh, okay. All
Pagat's inside. And I also want Devin Coco. I want to work with Devin Coco as well. Yeah.
Don't you want Robot?
Him as well.
Okay.
I don't mind. Like, I don't mind working with, people. Like, I'm open to working with anybody. Like, I don't mind. As long as you're good, bro, and, you all about the work, then let's work. I don't mind.
Jeez, man, you're going to have a dope December, hey?
Fun. Yeah.
You guys are making a lot of money. Guys, I'm so jealous, Like, I'm so when you guys, when December hits, it's not even December, October. From October or November, you guys are making so much money. And then next year, January, we just see you guys like holiday.
That's when we rest. January. That's Feb. That's when we...
How much can a DJ make in between December and November?
It depends.
And December? Yeah.
It depends on your rate.
Let's say okay, yeah. Nah,
it depends on your rate, yeah.
But you guys are gigging a lot. In a weekend, you can gig like maybe 7 times or even more, I'm sure, right?
You mean, when you say weekend, you mean like from Friday to Sunday or
Wednesday? Because now people party from Wednesday.
Yeah, no, that's a lot of money. That's a lot. And in a day, you can have like maybe 3-4 gigs. So imagine, Leo Madeleine.
What do you do with this money?
And also invest, save. That's the most important thing.
Okay.
Because you can never be guaranteed. So you better save and invest.
What do you invest
Create
in?
businesses. It's up to you. Property, it's up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's amazing. I'm so
Yeah.
proud of you. Hey,
Thank you so
I'm
much.
happy.
Thank
Can I
you.
please be your 5th supporter in the country? When I say 5th, because I know it's your family, and other people, your guy. Can I just be
Yeah.
number 5? Because
No,
wow,
sure.
guys, like yes, I'm so
Sure.
disappointed. Yeah.
Nah, kuzolunga.
And the work that you're
Kuzolunga.
doing is amazing. Like you're
Kuzolunga.
pushing AMAPIANO in Africa, going to clubs and people seeing you and doing the most. I'm sure you've got multiple bodyguards when you go to Nigeria or Ghana.
You get me.
Yeah.
That's the vibe they give in Nigeria.
VIP.
Like that's the
Not VIP section at the club, no. VIP like vehicles.
you get
Bulletproof.
me. You get me.
Guys.
That's actually the vibe they give in Nigeria and other countries. That's the vibe.
Yeah, no, it's
Yeah.
it's crazy. It's crazy. You spoke
Yeah.
about dating, man. I wanna go back, man. I wanna go back to. This is so funny, actually. Dating men and dating boys.
No man, let that one
Are you
slide. Now I
Kevin,
wanna
man.
talk about me.
You've spoken about it. It's been.
I wanna
it's
talk
been-
about
it's been an hour.
myself. Yeah.
It's been an hour. No?
Don't you like hearing about me?
Well, I like you. You've got dope energy.
You get me.
You are dope, man. Like I really, I haven't seen any videos of you dancing.
Yeah.
I would love to see them. You're amazing, man. Like I'm just so
Thank you.
surprised that you're from Limpopo.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, ke nna ngwanyana mopedi wa Motebele wa Limpopo.
Jeez, man, it's so insane, man. Like it's insane. But don't judge a book by its
First
cover.
cover.
Yeah. Jeez, man. I've got so many questions to that question, man. But it's fine.
No, that one, let it slide. But just know that I'm not single.
Okay.
But just let it slide. Yeah.
Oh, it's because of you're not single. Oh, so that's why. It's because okay. But if you are single, I'm sure you are just gonna
Yeah, I respect my
take
man.
out the files.
I respect my nigga, so
Yeah, I'm sure he's treating you good. Wow.
yes.
I don't wanna, man. I wanna go in, man. But man, it's fine. It's fine. No, I'm
Yeah.
just thinking that like when you're listening to your music and like, do you think of him in a way?
Yeah, of course.
Hey, when?
I do.
Hey. Thank you so much for coming.
No problem, man.
Yeah, I
it's
really
a
appreciate
pleasure.
it.
I
Thank you
enjoyed
so
this.
much.
So
Yeah.
this has been amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for being patient with me.
No
I
problem.
almost blew this off. Yeah, but thank you.
No problem.
Cool.
This has been amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I always say before you go,
Okay.
the battle is the name, Blue Aiva is the game. Thank you.
Thank you.